Today, I show you how to add a calendar in Microsoft Loop to streamline your meetings and reminders. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, enter the workspace where you want to add the calendar. Next, use the Microsoft 365 calendar actions within Loop. Here, fill in the details like calendar name, meeting start and end times, location, and organizer email. Double check these details to ensure your calendar is accurate. Optionally, you can create a record variable to store the calendar output, which is helpful if you manage multiple projects. And that's it, your calendar is now integrated into Microsoft Loop, helping you manage your schedule efficiently. Combining Microsoft Loop with Microsoft 365 Calendar keeps your workflow organized and productive.